Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring 9 self-seeding plants for beginners. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Calendula, pot marigold. Calendula is a bright, daisy-like flower that blooms in warm tones of yellow and orange. It's beloved for both its ornamental beauty and medicinal value. The petals are edible and often used in teas or skincare products. Calendula thrives in full sun and well-draining soil. As the blooms fade, they develop seed heads packed with curved seeds. If you leave them on the plant, they'll drop to the ground and sprout when conditions are right, often returning year after year without needing to be replanted. Care tip: Calendula loves full sun and grows best when the soil is kept slightly moist. Make sure to remove old flowers regularly so it keeps blooming for longer. California poppy. The California poppy is a hardy wildflower known for its vivid orange, cup-shaped blooms and fern-like foliage. It's drought-tolerant, thrives in sandy soil, and loves full sun. After blooming, it forms long seed pods that dry out and burst open, scattering seeds naturally. These seeds easily germinate when the next growing season begins, making California poppies ideal for wildflower gardens and low-maintenance landscapes. Care tip: California poppies thrive in dry, sunny spots and don't need much watering. In fact, too much water can actually hurt them, so let the soil dry out between waterings. Cherry tomato. Cherry tomatoes are compact, productive plants that grow clusters of small, sweet tomatoes. They thrive in full sun and rich soil. When ripe fruits fall to the ground and decompose, they release seeds that can sprout the following season, especially in warmer climates. While not as consistent as flowers, cherry tomatoes can self-seed surprisingly well if the area remains undisturbed. Care tip: cherry tomatoes need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. Water them deeply at the base and be sure to support the plant with a stake or cage as it starts to grow taller. Cornflower bachelor's button. Cornflowers produce vivid blue fringed blooms and are favorites for pollinators. They're easy to grow and do well in full sun and average soil. As the blooms fade, they form seed heads that drop their seeds into the soil. These seeds often overwinter and germinate in spring. Cornflowers are ideal for wildflower meadows and cottage-style gardens. Care tip: cornflowers like full sun and soil that drains well. Water once or twice a week and cut the flowers regularly to encourage new blooms. Cosmos. Cosmos are tall, airy plants with daisy-like flowers in pink, white, and magenta. They're incredibly easy to grow and flourish in full sun and poor soil. Once established, cosmos bloom continuously and produce dry seed heads. If left in place, these seeds fall to the ground and regrow with little help. Cosmos are perfect for informal, wildlife-friendly gardens. Care tip: cosmos are one of the easiest flowers to grow. They prefer full sun and poor soil, and only need watering when the soil feels completely dry. Dill. Dill is a flavorful herb used in cooking and pickling. It also supports pollinators and beneficial insects. This herb grows quickly in full sun and well-drained soil. After flowering, it produces umbrella-like seed heads filled with tiny seeds. These seeds often fall, overwinter, and sprout the next spring, making dill an easy addition to herb gardens that returns on its own. Care tip: dill loves sunlight and slightly moist soil. Make sure to give the plants enough space by thinning seedlings early and harvest the leaves before it starts to flower for the best flavor. Lettuce. While commonly harvested young, lettuce will bolt, flower, and go to seed in warm weather. Once this happens, the plant produces tall stalks with small flowers that form seeds. If allowed to drop, these seeds can produce a fresh crop when temperatures cool again. This makes lettuce a great self-seeding vegetable for spring and fall gardens. Care tip: lettuce grows best in cooler weather with partial sun, especially if it gets hot where you live. Keep the soil consistently moist and harvest the outer leaves so the plant keeps producing. Nigella, love in a mist. Nigella has unique blue or white flowers and delicate thread-like foliage. After flowering, it forms balloon-like seed pods that are as decorative as the blooms. These pods split open as they dry, scattering seeds naturally. Nigella prefers cool conditions and will happily self-sow each year if given the chance. Hair tip: Nigella is easy to grow. Just sprinkle the seeds directly onto the soil in a sunny spot. Water lightly and let it grow on its own, since it will often reseed itself year after year. Sweet Alyssum. Sweet Alyssum is a low-growing, ground-hugging flower that produces clusters of tiny white, pink, or purple blooms. It has a sweet, honey-like scent and grows best in full sun or partial shade. As it finishes blooming, it produces small seed pods that easily reseed the area. Alyssum is excellent for edging, containers, or filling gaps in flower beds. Care tip: sweet Alyssum grows low to the ground and does well in full sun or light shade. Water when the top of the soil feels dry and trim it back if the blooms start to fade. These 9 self-seeding plants are not only beautiful and practical, but also ideal for beginners who want a thriving garden with minimal replanting. Once they bloom and go to seed, just let nature do the work. These plants will often return year after year. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best self-seeding plants for beginners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!